Huh?
Me I use this spin brush, right? And me put it on my nose and it flick out everything go up in my eye. Well, I soap and everything.
It's like a satellite spinning away, almost lost forever and leaving no trace, floating through the darkest reaches of space.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adriana aka Adrian, and if you're new here, welcome. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment, and also follow me on Instagram at Artistic Souls. In today's video, I'm going to be trying a face mask, and pretty much I've abandoned my face for a while now. As you can probably see, I'm having some hormonal acne on my face, so I'm going to be trying some stuff to see if I can get rid of it or to make my face look a little bit more presentable. So keep on watching. So pretty much I think that my skin has come a far way in terms of where the forehead acne or the hormonal acne is concerned, because last month it was way worse. So the bumps are kind of clearing up now. I only have like mostly acne scars on my forehead, and then I have like some whiteheads on my chin and what do you call that area? My cheek area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to steam my face first and cleanse it, and then I'm going to try the Aztec, I don't know how to pronounce it, Aztec mask. But yeah, so let's get right into it, guys. I don't want this video to be too long. So the cleanser that I'll be using is this one. It's the Avalon Organics, and some of you probably have seen it before in my previous video. It has vitamin C and it's really good. It's organic and sulfate free. I'm going to cleanse my skin with this, and I'm going to use my spin brush as well. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to use like some baby wipes to wipe away the dirt of my skin. I'm wearing eyebrows and I'm wearing some lip gloss, so I'm just going to get rid of this. Then when it's so hot, I tend to wipe my face with my hands. Like I just run my hands over my face like that, and I know it's not good for my face. You're not supposed to touch your face with your hands that often, but Alright, so I'm just going to wipe where I feel the little green, not grains. Wherever I feel the white heads, I'm going to, if they grow downwards, I'm going to wipe upwards. So I usually feel like those are tiny bumps on my chin, so I'm going to wipe this way. So I'm done steaming and I'm just going to get into the face mask, and the one that I bought was the Aztec clay mask. It's this one, and well, I got it with this bag. It says Etana, and you're supposed to use it with the apple cider vinegar. And I also got this mixing bowl. It's a wooden bowl, and I got this as well to, you know, just the scoop thing, and this to mix it together, and also this tiny brush. It's so soft. But yeah, I'm also going to be mixing some turmeric with this mask because I heard that turmeric fades like dark spots, and I really want to get rid of these on my forehead. So I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric powder inside of the mask, and then I think I'm supposed to use this for 7 days, and it's deep pore cleaning. So hopefully it helps. I'm keeping my fingers crossed about this one because, you know, a lot of people review it and they said it's like the world's most powerful clay. So let's see. So I'm going to mix it now, and the turmeric powder that I have, it's the Island Spice, like just the regular turmeric powder. I'm not sure if it's strong enough, but let's just test it out, guys. So I'm going to pour some in this bowl. It smells strong. And I've seen a lot of people using the Aztec clay mask in their hair, and I'm not sure if I want to use it in my hair, but I'm definitely using it on my face though. It smells nice. Well, it doesn't have a strong scent, but it can work with. You're supposed to leave it on your skin for like 5 to 10 minutes, or else it dries your skin out, and I don't want that at all because I naturally have really dry skin. So I'm going to keep it on for about 8 minutes, thereabout. So I'm taking, this is what's inside of the bowl already, the turmeric, and I'm putting this. I feel like I'm going to need more, so I'm just going to use one more scoop. This is what it's looking like, and now I'm going to add the apple cider vinegar, and it's getting really acidic. Not sure if you can see, but I'm trying to get it to this kind of thick consistency. I don't want it to be too watery. And this is what it looks like after it's mixed with the apple cider, the Aztec mask, and a little bit of turmeric. So I think this consistency is good. It's not too watery and it's not too thick. Yeah, this is how I want it, so I'm not going to add anything else to it. So let's I actually waited out the 10 minutes, and as you can see, I can't really move my mouse because my skin is really tight right now. My skin is really tight right now, so I'm going to wash this off and then let you guys see what my skin looks like afterwards. So this is what my face looks like after I washed the mask off, and honestly my face feels really soft. If you guys are hearing talking in the background, the neighbors are fixing their house. So my skin feels really soft. It feels dry though, however, but that's okay. I guess I'm going to moisturize my face with some coconut oil, and then I'm going to use a hydrating toner. So I'm going to do that right now. And the face toner that I'll be using is the Alafia coconut water and neem, and it's for dry skin. It's pretty much coconut water, and I'm going to use that and spray it all over my face. And this is what my skin is looking like. I'm honestly not mad at all. I am going to continue using the healing mask for the next 6 days to do an updated review and let you guys see how my skin has been reacting to this mask. So this is day 2 of me using the clay mask, and I did keep it on for 10 minutes instead of 8. Like I said before, I didn't want it to dry my skin out, but I wanted to get the best results possible, so I kept it on for 10 minutes. For the first couple of days, I didn't see much changes, except that my pores were looking good. My skin looked really smooth, but the dark spots were still there. I did the same thing. I kept it on for 10 minutes, and I speed up the video because I didn't want it to be too long, but I pretty much did the same thing. And for the second day, I didn't see any new pimples on my face. It was just like the same old pimples from the last time, and they weren't inflamed or anything, but they were drying up, and I didn't see a big difference until like the 4th day. For the 3rd day, I could see that my skin was really dry, but I did added some moisture after that. Like, I added extra moisture to my face. And the 4th day was when the results really started to show. I saw the dark spots starting to fade, and I didn't get any new pimples. So I was really happy for that, and I was really excited for, when I reached the final day, the final 7 days, of course. For the days after that, like, my skin felt like really smooth. I could see like a big difference, especially on my forehead area. and with the final day I was really pleased. I didn't think it would actually clear up that fast, but I was happy with the results. The dark spots on my forehead, especially the sides, were pretty much faded, and I didn't have any like major breakouts, and my skin wasn't dry at all because I made sure that I moisturized every evening after I used the mask. The left side of my face still needs a little bit more clearing up, but I really like how it looks so far, and I'm going to continue using this mask. I'll insert pictures.